Welcome back, HENGKO channel. HENGKO provides OEM custom porous metal sensor housings for various sensor products. With extensive experience and advanced technology, we create high-quality, multifunctional housings tailored to specific customer needs. Our housings excel in challenging environments like high temperature, high pressure, and corrosive conditions, ensuring sensor reliability and accuracy. Our expert team collaborates with clients to develop bespoke solutions, enhancing sensor performance and durability. The porous metal design allows efficient gas and liquid permeability while offering robust protection against contaminants. HENGKO's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction ensures we meet and exceed client expectations worldwide. Welcome to contact HENGKO by email at khenko.com to OEM your sensor housing today.